All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about online reviews and how people suck. All right, I'm not going to give the backstory because it's complicated and I don't want to get into it. Basically, we had a customer extort basically money from the shop, threatening to leave a bad review on the shop. Now here we do zero advertising, zero. We don't advertise at all. But we are the #1 shop as far as online reviews, reputation, word of mouth, all of that. So a bad review is a bad review and reflects on us. So we do a lot to make sure we don't get bad reviews. Taking care of customers is, how we do that. Our marketing budget is to take care of customers. Whether it is perceived slights, we just put an alternator on their car and, the starter went out or something like that. It allows us to take care of those customers so it doesn't look badly on the industry or the shop. Doesn't happen often, but occasionally happens, just the way of life. Today, a lot of people are figuring out they can work the system, and that sucks. It's horrible, horrible people who are, threatening a bad review, not because you did anything wrong, but because they want something out of you. They don't want to pay for something that they should be paying for. I mean, let's be honest. And that kind of stuff pisses me off to no end. I hate people that work the system. I mean, I don't want to get political, but think about, all the people that live on welfare that eat a lot better than a whole lot of people that work 50 hours a week plus and have to pay their own bills. It's one of the things that's wrong with modern society. I'm sorry. If you're working the system like that, stop it. I can't describe how much I hate you. And this is not just my shop where I work or anything else. That is in general. If you are calling up businesses, extorting money from them or services, you are a horrible, horrible person. I'm not sugarcoating it. You're a horrible person. If you're trashing somebody at a dealership on the survey because they charged you money, you're a horrible person. It's sad how low society has sunk, where people are now using online reviews to extort money from people. So, hope you like this video. I know it was a rant because I'm pissed. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, maybe you are one of those people. Well, I'm not going to say anything. Comments, I know there's going to be a bunch. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.